Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Maya Smith if you are new, and today I am trying out a utensil that I saw on Instagram. It's called the wet wand, and with this utensil you're supposed to be able to achieve curls in your hair without using any other utensil but this one and without heat. I got this utensil on sale for $11.99. I think the regular sale price is $19.99, but the black one was on sale, so I got that one. And they let you pick the color of the container. I was wondering why, but this container is a water bottle. Isn't that so cute? I cannot wait to use it. I'm supposed to put it in a dishwasher to see if it's dishwasher safe, and when I find that out I will put it in the description box. So jumping right into the tutorial. My hair has already been washed and conditioned, and I'm just going to put it in 4 sections to apply my leave-in conditioner. After applying my leave-in conditioner, I took my blow dryer and ran through it like 5 times. My hair wasn't like super dry, but it was kind of damp. I'm not sure why I did that, seeing that I was going to put mousse on my hair and dampen it back up again, but I guess I was bored. So you don't have to do that. That's just something that I did. So after my hair was all blown out, I just sectioned my hair how I normally would, and I used a little bit of a lot of body curl and style milk to twist my roots, and then I applied the Lot of Body Wrap Me Foam Mousse to the end, the part that was going to be curled, with the wet wand. So to use the wet wand, all you do is take the flat part in your hand and put that part by your roots, and literally just wrap your hair around the wand, kind of like you would do a Permrod set, but you just taking the utensil out instead of leaving it in. So as you can see, I'm doing it here. Sorry, it's kind of like cut off, but you'll see me do it again later in the video. And then just move the end around and make sure everything is all secure, pretty much like I said, just like you would do a Permrod set, except for you're just taking it out. There's the curl. So I'm just going to repeat this same process all over my head. You see me twisting the roots. That's not necessary. The videos that I saw people using this, they didn't twist their roots, they just went in with it. I also noticed that their roots were kind of really puffy once, you know, everything dried. I don't like to live on the wild side. I like to kind of stick to what I know. So I just went to twisting my roots because I didn't want my hair to be too big. I like my hair big, but I like to make my hair big on its own. I don't want it to do it on its own. So I'm going to repeat this process and I will come back when I'm finished. top, I actually didn't twist my roots on those. I just wanted to see what a couple would look like if I didn't twist it. And these are my results. I think they kind of look like dreads. What do y'all think? I wasn't expecting it to look like that. So I actually left these in for an entire day. They actually would have been dry a lot sooner, but I just didn't have time to take them out. So I'm just going to take my polished oil from Mish Beauty and begin to take the twist down. And these are what the curls are looking like. I thought that was so cute. So I'm just going to repeat this all over my head and show you the finished result. So these are the curls all taken out, and it kind of is giving me a coily look. I thought it would have been more of a spiral curl, but I guess I need to make my sections bigger. But I was completely satisfied with the look that this wand gave me. I'm absolutely in love with my results. I really can't wait until my hair gets longer and I can make this into like a bigger style, but I'm completely satisfied with my results and how my hair turned out. It's so cute and it has so much movement. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will link where you guys can buy this and their Instagram handle in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.